When you walk in a Roof on the Wit, a Hilton Hotel, we want your jaw to hit the floor. We want you to be in awe of not only the surroundings, but the food, the drinks, the customer service. One of our core experiences is large format cocktails. It's a spectacle. We like to put on a show for it. With our seasonal cocktails, we work really hard to create an experience that guests will enjoy and to make sure the flavor profiles are perfect for the season. Today, we're gonna be making the Summer Blossom at Roof on the Wit, a Hilton Hotel. First, you wanna measure 1 1/4 ounce guava. You can use any store-bought guava juice, doesn't necessarily need to be fresh. Now, we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice. This is to balance out the sweetness with a little acidity. We're gonna add 1 1/2 ounce of peach and orange flavored vodka. Add ice to your shaker. And give it a quick shake. Chill the contents. And just add that into the wine glass. And top with Prosecco. And last but not least, we will do a wonderful orange garnish. And there you have it, the Summer Blossom at Roof on the Wit, a Hilton Hotel. It's just a special type of atmosphere in Chicago when it's lovely out. Everybody appreciates a good day out. It's a complete vibe. At the Roof on the Wit, visually it's stunning. We have a retractable roof that, we enjoy all year round. We have everything from like our hotel guests. People will come in after work for happy hour. We have DJs nightly. There's something for everybody here. Roof on the Wit is views, but it's more than that. It's amazing drinks, amazing food, and amazing customer service. During summertime, Roof on the Wit really is the party destination in Chicago.